السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Dr. Jamal Farhan online courses introduce to you a free lecture for further more information. معلومات زيادة متقدمة. Contact us through our social media. ممكن تواصلوا من خلال السوشيال ميديا الظاهرة في الشاشة seen in the screen. Or you can go to the comment section below and the description في خانة الوصف أو التعليقات تحت هتلاقوا رابط مباشر في الواتساب businesses. Not to take more of your time عشان ما ناخذ كثير من وقتكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، وإن شاء الله تستفيدوا من هذه المحاضرة. بالتوفيق للجميع. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we will end with the anatomical landmark finally. Today we're on the last lecture of the anatomical landmark of complete denture of course. اليوم آخر محاضرة للanatomical landmark. As we described the definition of an anatomical landmark, and we already discovered or consider on this extraoral and intraoral maxillary we done of the 3, and the mandible we done of the 2, which is supporting and limiting. And the end today we will talk about the relieving area، الأماكن اللي احنا نسوي لها relief اللي هو نخفف الضغط عليها. So we described the supporting structure, limiting structure of the mandible, and today we will talk about the relieving structure or area of the mandibular. So we'll start with the mental forming area between the first and the second premolar. So it will be here by like 1 centimeters. So the mental foramen will be away between the 2 roots of the premolars as in 1 centimeters. Okay. تكون المسافة تحت أو بين الجذعين تبع الضواحك بمسافة 1 سنتيمتر تقريبا يعني. هو genal tuberosity or tubercle. We will see it. And we have torus mandibularis. There is something called torus palatinus, and we talked about it on the maxillary. And we have also here torus mandibularis, which found on the premolar area lingually. And we have already talked about a little bit about the sharp mylohyoid ridge, and we have crest knife edge ridge, and we have sharp pony prominence. So we will consider the mental and the genal tubercle, and we will talk about the torus palatinus, torus mandibularis. These other 3 things are as it's sharp, both of them, and they need a relief. Even the knife edge يعني شكلها زي حدة أو رأس السكينة. فهي كلها بالنهاية sharp يعني، وأنت تسوي لها relief. لكن for this hour we will consider it إن شاء الله. The mandibular relieving area, 1 mental foramen area. So this is the first premolar, second premolar, this is the root, and this is the mental foramen, 1 centimeters away, located on the buccal surface. So this is the buccal surface of the mandible, on the premolar region between the roots of the first and the second premolar, as we said. Significance, أهميتها, it causes severe, in the case of the severe ridge resorption, the mental foramen located near to the ridge. يعني إذا كان عندنا resorption حصل في تآكل هنا في العظم وراح يعني قد تصل إلى هنا فتصير المنتال foramen near to the ridge. So if there is a resorption and the alveolar ridge are resorbed until here, so the mental foramen is near to the ridge. So in such a case, in this case, relief of the denture is necessary. So we must make a space for this foramen or make a cavity to avoid the pain and the numbness of the lower lip. As we said here, as we know, this mental foramen is goes of the mental nerve, which supply the lower lip and the chin. اللي بيغذي الشفة السفلية والدقن as a result of the pressure of the mental nerves عشان بسبب الضغط اللي صاير على mental nerve. Okay, so the second one is genial tubercle, and this is the genial tubercle. Okay, two bony prominence عندنا جزئين من العظم ظاهرات كذا بارزات on the lingual side. So these are two small prominence located inner surface of the mandible, one on each side of the semiphysis. Semiphysis is a bone where the two mandible on the development are joining. يعني خلال مرحلة النمو أو development يكون هذا المانديبل يعني كذا نصين، نص هنا ونص هنا، يكبروا مع بعض حتى يلتقوا عند حاجة اسمها السيميفيسيس. Okay, so the semiphysis is where the two right and the left mandibular part during development are meet. So it's on each side. Significant, severe bone resorption as the same for the mental foramen. It become prominence and it should be relieved to avoid pain and soreness. عشان نتجنب الإحمرار والألم لازم نسوي لها relief لأنها بارزة. التورس mandibularis are two or mandible tori present one or more round bony prominence. Okay, so عندنا عظم يعني من العظم بارز زيادة. Are found on some individuals. It's commonly located on the premolar region. So the MCQs, okay, and also here I forgot it. Yeah, here, okay, or here, between two premolars MCQs. Okay, important. So the torus mandibularis, as we said, it's on the premolar area. Significance: if it's too large, surgical should be removed. If it's small, so relief. MCQs also. Large tori should be removed, should be relief, should be cut, should be removed. So thanks for watching, and hope you get understanding, and I'm trying my best, or I tried my best to let you understand all I got. So thanks for watching. Keep going. Don't forget like and subscribe and share to your friends. Sharing knowledge is one of the best things that you'll do for your future, and keep going. Wassalamu khidam.